see all the cicadas on the tree. These are the ones that are dead shells and the live ones that went about their way. You can hear their beautiful singing in the background. It's from dawn until dusk. Now we'll show you the live ones. These are my cicadas. There was many more than this yesterday. As you can see, they are just all over every plant that I had in my garden. Absolutely gross and disgusting. Here's a shot of the ones that have fallen off the tree and are dead. And you get the side of the tree too. They attach themselves to the tree, they come out of the shell, and the bug goes flying around looking for something. Probably a woman, I guess. And when the shells are done, they all fall out on the ground. I've cleaned this up already, but I guess I'll have to do it 3 or 4 more times. They even attach themselves to the siding.
Them all in that little tree there. Thousands of them.
They even attach themselves to the fence. This one here. See, these are new ones, Jim. I just seen this one. Oh, no, they're dead.
You need to get a helicopter or crop duster type thing out here.
Let's go over here and look at the main garden. Many of them right now are developing their wings, and then they take off and fly away. Watch closely. You can actually pick them up like this. Can you hear him scream? Then you just drop him, he goes away. My apple trees are loaded too. There's a lot more in the garden, but they're gone. The base of the apple tree is all skeletons. The tree in itself, as you can see, is loaded with skeletons. These have all became live. There's one that didn't get it fast enough. They have 3 minutes to get out of the ground and get to a tree. Otherwise, they don't survive. In 17 years, the guy who buys this house is going to really be shocked. He's going to say, whoa! And that's about it.